Hello, this is Trident Modular with you, a manufacturer of modular and timber frame houses. My name is Christina and today I will tell you about a project we were involved in. Imagine a place where a fairy tale comes to life and nature and architecture merge into one. This is precisely what Shumerland has become, a cultural and entertainment space created for dreams, art and children's smiles. And we became part of this story. We implemented 3 architectural objects that harmoniously integrated into the park's concept. The first is the restaurant, a cozy, comfortable establishment. The restaurant itself has an area of 90 square meters decorated with false timber and metal sheeting. Panoramic windows offer a view of the forest, and the use of natural materials creates an atmosphere of harmony and tranquility. The complexity of implementing this object was due to the preservation of the forest area, which we integrated into the terrace. In general, all the buildings are done in the same style. We can see this in the example of the mirror maze, by the way. One of the most modern and coolest in Ukraine, the 60 square meter site has become a magnet for visitors. Mirrors, light, illusions create a wow effect that captivates not only adults but also children. The project is completely safe, moist, well ventilated and ready for operation in any weather conditions. And the third building completed by our company, Ekibia, is a compact, functional building measuring 84 square meters, externally modern and concise, inside a comfortable shopping area that will allow each visitor to take a part of the fairy tale with them. This is another example of how modular solutions can be practical, modern, and quick to implement. But Shumerland is not just about architecture, it's about a space where every corner is filled with wonder. Here, guests are greeted by giant dinosaurs, realistic, interactive, some even move and roar, fairy tale characters, fantastic creatures, cartoon characters, and even giant mushrooms. Also, the largest Brachiosaurus in Ukraine became a decoration. This is all part of the atmosphere. They create the feeling that you have entered a completely different world. Behind this fairy tale is precise engineering. We use wood frame technologies that retain heat, ensure energy efficiency and last for years without harming the environment. At the core are quality insulators, ventilation gaps and vapor barriers, facades for any taste. Thanks to the modularity, installation takes just a few days. This is the philosophy of Trident, technologies that ensure speed, comfort and durability. All these structures are manufactured at our facility and assembled directly on site in the shortest terms. Our panel frame houses are not just a quick solution for business, but quality, energy efficiency, adaptation to any conditions and design. In the Shumerland project, our modules became not just architectural elements but full-fledged business units as the restaurant welcomes guests, the souvenir shop sells and the maze attracts visitors. Trident is your strategic partner that will ensure quality results without unnecessary expenses and prolonged construction. The Shumerland project is proof of how creativity and modern technologies create not only impressions, but also successful, efficient commercial solutions. And we can create something similar for you. We have attractions, a mirror maze, music, a stage, more than 100 topiary figures and our amazing forest. Also, giant dinosaurs are already here. We invite you to Shumerland.